फर्स्ट हम बात करेंगे लिप ऑगमेंटेशन के बारे में. लिप ऑगमेंटेशन essentially means increasing the size of the lips, giving you more fuller lips. So पहले तो इसकी इंडिकेशंस क्या होती हैं. So as the name suggests, it is a procedure जिसमें हम लिप का वॉल्यूम इंक्रीज कर रहे हैं. So two kinds of patient populations usually want this procedure. One, which is a young girl wanting a fuller lip, and two, a woman who has lost some of her lip volume with aging and wants a restoration of a youthful volume. So the easiest way and the most popular way of doing this is the use of lip fillers. Lip fillers are essentially hyaluronic acid fillers which are injected at specific points across the lip to give the lip a younger and more refreshed look. So we have various kinds of fillers available in the market. Some of them are more into giving the lip a fuller volume, and some of them simply enhance the youthfulness of the lip without adding much to the volume. So in a consultation with the plastic surgeon आप decide करेंगे कि आपको exactly क्या look चाहिए, and depending on that we can tell you as to what is the volume of the filler which is going to be used. So usually lip augmentation is nothing more than 1 ml to 2 ml of a lip filler. And advantages क्या होते हैं इस procedure के? One, obviously it is a very quick procedure with hardly any downtime. It's just getting a few injections. So the lip basically is numbed using a numbing cream, and over a period of 15-20 minutes we're going to be injecting the lip filler across your lips at specific points to give you the kind of lip volume you desire. Some points you need to keep in mind when you're thinking about a lip filler is that one, it cannot really change the shape of your lips. So many times patient comes to me and says कि डॉक्टर मुझे longer lips चाहिए या shorter lips चाहिए, वो possible नहीं हो पाता. It's going to probably add volume at certain specific points. So if you want a pout, if you want a more defined lip border, or if you want a little asymmetry correction, say some people have fuller lips on one side and thinner lips on the other side, which is very common actually. All that can be corrected to a certain extent with lip fillers. However, gross asymmetries अगर बहुत ही difference है, जैसे बहुत patients मेरे पास आते हैं जिनके right side of the lip और left side of the lip में बहुत gross asymmetry है, तो ये lip filler से correct करना possible नहीं होता है. To a certain extent, yes, हम mask कर सकते हैं, but complete correction is not possible. So the other advantage is that it is a reversible procedure. अगर आपको suppose नहीं पसंद आ रही है आपके lip की shape, so you can easily dissolve the filler. उसके लिए we're going to inject something called Hyalase, which dissolves the hyaluronic acid, and over a period of 24 to 48 hours, you're back to the original lip. So totally reversible procedure है. Third thing is that fillers जो है, these are basically hyaluronic acid is something which is already found in the body, so it is very unlikely to create any reactions or complications, especially if you're using it from a trained surgeon or a cosmetologist, and you're using a good quality filler. So आप जो known companies हैं, अगर आप उनके fillers use कर रहे हैं और आपका जो practitioner है वो trained है, he or she continuously does these procedures, so the risk of any kind of a complication is very low. However, obviously if you're going to some untrained professional or you're using a substandard product, then the chances of complications increase. Because one thing which you have to understand in a lip filler is that you're dealing with a very delicate anatomy. वहाँ के जो blood vessels हैं, उनका एक detailed knowledge होना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. It sounds very simple कि just take a filler and inject it into specific points, but you need to have an in-depth knowledge of the anatomy of that area कि कोई blood vessel block नहीं होनी चाहिए. Some kind of blackening or darkening of tissues might happen. Sometimes people in fact report a partial lip loss also, कि एक lip का जो part है वो totally काला पड़ गया because of the blockage of the blood supply. So all these complications can happen. As I said, they are very less likely to happen in the hands of a trained practitioner. But अगर आप you're going to get it done from some novice who does not know what he is doing, then these complications can arise. So that is one, say, con of getting a lip procedure done.